So I had a ton of people asking me about my routine for when I wash my hair and how I get my curls. I just wanted to do a little video, show you guys what I do, give you my routine. Today I'm gonna wash twice with the black 2-in-1, about 2 minutes each. And then my conditioner, I'm gonna do the Soothing Deep. This one's my favorite. I just feel like it's the most hydrating for me without being too heavy. So I'm gonna wash twice with that, condition, and then I will be back. So hair is washed. The best time to put your products in is when your hair is like soaking wet. Start to comb it out. So you're gonna comb out all your tangles. I always do mine down the middle. You could put your part wherever you want, but just so you get that product distributed. Okay, we got Moxie Magnifying Mousse. I do 2 pumps for the front. You're gonna get that in there. Scrunching up all the time. 2 more for the back. Making sure you get that in the back distributed evenly. Scrunching. So next one, we got curl cream. This is an only for you product and it's only around every once in a while, so I had to track it down and it's my favorite. So we're gonna do about that much, and this will be for my whole head. So you're gonna run it through the front, middle, and back. Always make sure, you know, you're getting that whole head. And then you scrunch motion more. All the time. Everything you do, you scrunch. And now at this point, you're never gonna comb it out again, so don't comb it anymore. Only scrunch. I still have not got any of the wetness out with my towel, and you're gonna want a microfiber towel. Don't ever use just like a normal bath towel. That's gonna make you more frizzy. You wanna get a microfiber towel, and that's definitely gonna help. When it starts to drip here at the bottom, you can, you know, get some of that wetness out. Okay, next I'm gonna do the Taffy and the oil. I'm gonna mix those together. I only do about like 2 or 3 drops of oil and about that much Taffy. And this I'm just gonna scrunch in all around. Really make sure you get the back because that's where you're gonna get most of your frizz. When people put product in their hair, they mostly focus in the front, and that's why they notice in the back more frizz. So just make sure you get it back there. And last, little dab of blowout, because I diffuse, I don't air dry. If you're going to air dry, you can definitely use the air dry cream. I'm gonna do the blowout just because I diffuse. Little dot. I know this seems like a lot of product, but it's just a little bit of each, and it's just enough to give you those frizz-free curls. And then just get the rest of the wetness out with your microfiber towel. Okay guys, for diffusing, you just want to hold the dryer to your hair like this, all around the head. Do that first. Once you feel like it's getting a little bit dry, then you can start to flip around. Do one side, do the other, and you could start to like pull your hair, hold it like this. You're gonna get that volume by flipping over and drying upside down. That's what I do to get it nice and fluffy. So I'm gonna diffuse and then I will be back. Here it is finished. I diffuse for about 20 minutes, flip it around. After I'm done, I put about 2 drops of oil just through the ends for some shine.